Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best adjustable motorcycle wheel chock stand on the market, the MaxxHaul 70271. Whether you're a weekend rider or a serious bike enthusiast with a garage full of gear, this stand could be a game changer for how you store, maintain, and transport your motorcycle. Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the MaxxHaul 70271 makes a solid first impression. It's crafted from heavy-duty steel, giving you that reassuring heft that speaks to its durability. This thing isn't just built, it's built tough. And it has to be, because it boasts a weight capacity of up to 1,800 pounds. That's more than enough for most motorcycles, from sport bikes to cruisers. Now, let's talk about compatibility. One of the most appreciated features of this chock stand is its versatility. It accommodates wheels ranging from 3 to 5 inches in width, which means it's not just a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're parking your daily commuter or a high-performance touring bike, this stand adapts with ease. The adjustability makes it a highly flexible solution for multi-bike households or commercial garage setups. The MaxxHaul 70271 also excels when it comes to design innovation. At the heart of this is the self-locking wheel cradle. It uses the weight of the motorcycle to lock the front wheel in place automatically. There's no extra step, no complicated latch. Just roll your bike in, and the cradle does the rest. This design simplifies the loading and unloading process, reducing the risk of tipping or movement during storage or transport. Speaking of storage, stability is a major factor, and this stand doesn't cut corners. The engineers behind it included anchor points so you can secure the entire unit to the floor if needed. This is a big win for anyone storing their motorcycle long-term or planning to trailer their bike. Once it's in place, your motorcycle stays upright, safe, and secure. No stress, no shifting, no surprises. Aesthetically, the stand features a sleek black powder-coated finish. But it's not just for looks. This finish acts as a protective layer against rust and corrosion. Whether you're in a humid garage, dealing with occasional spills, or using it outdoors temporarily, this finish keeps the stand looking good and performing reliably over time. Now, let's touch on real-world usage. Setup is straightforward. No specialized tools, no hours lost in assembly. It's user-friendly and takes just minutes to get ready. Once it's up, it's even easier to use. Just guide your motorcycle into position, and the chock does the rest. Maintenance becomes simpler when you know your bike isn't going to lean or tip over. Tasks like cleaning, lubricating the chain, or detailing the wheels become safer and faster. Of course, the MaxxHaul 70271 doesn't just shine in the garage. If you're trailering your motorcycle, this stand is essential. Its secure grip means less shifting and less chance of damage during transit. Peace of mind is priceless when you're transporting something as valuable as your bike, and this chock delivers exactly that. So, who is this stand for? It's for riders who want security, simplicity, and strength. It's for folks who want to make garage maintenance safer, or who need a rock-solid solution for hauling their motorcycle across town, or across the country. At a price point that punches well above its weight, with features that rival more expensive options, and a build quality that's designed to last. The MaxxHaul 70271 easily earns its spot as our top pick for adjustable motorcycle wheel chock stands. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments. If you've used the MaxxHaul 70271 or have another favorite motorcycle stand. Until next time, ride safe and keep your gear locked down.